Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.14.1. Congratulations, this is the first lesson of quarter 2, year 1 with American English lessons with Maestro Sersea. So, what do we do now? Well, today we will work on your English vocabulary. We begin with first grade level Dolch sight words, lesson 4 of 4. Please follow the directions and do your best. So the first part, you watch the vocabulary video 2 or 3 times, okay? And this is going to help you not only learn your vocabulary words, but also improve your pronunciation and comprehension. After you watch this 2 or 3 times, you go to part 2. Please read aloud the following words and sentences in English. Then translate them and read them in your primary language using the translator on this page. So first we read all of this in English, and if you don't understand, don't worry. You can always, after you finish reading, translate into your language. Let's see, what language is this? Chinese. So let's say you want to translate into Chinese. You click here and now it's Chinese. Okay, so you go back to the American flag and it's back to American English. So let's do part 2 together. Here are the words: some, stop, take, thank, them, then, think, walk, were, and when. Do you need some money? Some people prefer to stay at home. He asked for help from some of his friends. The cars stopped at the stop sign. You need to stop before you cause an accident. You need to continue to work hard, so do not stop now. How long does it take to learn a language? The police will take your license. She will take your money and run. Thank you for helping me. The student wants to thank his teacher. When you thank someone, you show appreciation. He wanted to give them a present. They asked them to stop fighting. The teacher will give them a difficult test. First, you need to listen. Then you need to participate. If you stop eating, then you will be hungry. He started running, then he stopped because he got tired. If you want to have a bright future, think about what you want. Do you think I can wear that dress to the wedding? What do you think about that car? Let us walk together at the park. If you walk quickly, you will not be late. Try to walk 30 minutes a day to stay in shape. They were on vacation last week. Where were you going yesterday? Were you going to tell me how to solve the math problem? It is always important to know when to stop. She knew when he worked at the bakery. When does the movie start? Okay, so we read it in English. The next step is for you to translate it into your primary language and then go back to English once you're done with that, because we still have part 3. Please watch the quiz video and do the quiz on your own paper. When you finish, let us know your quiz score in the comments section below. So once you do the quiz, you can say, this is what I learned today, or today I did well on my quiz. I scored 10 out of 10. And then you put your name and your email and you post comment. Okay, students, thank you for working so hard. I appreciate you doing your best. Keep working hard, and that's how you will improve your English.